Enra.
Belum tuh ya?
Iyo.
Hah?
Enra.
Sah.
Saya mengana pakai Enra.
Tugul sa kamay.
Ni bulan ni Enra pinaka. Iyo.
Ita tingu toroen na kara chugul. Balik tenden na ngay kumbi chukin so na kalalay.
Oh, okay. Deme si kere borrongo di tua. E di tua, seguindo pamatutiko me bago tumburan na ese di bali. Balata na kaya sa lako duro mo uchoka. Nakabi ka di ba sa experience ta ko uchoka.
Kaya mo chugera ko na butu-butin daram.
Yeah.
Otua.
Iya.
Kwa me ba tundur mikir na kanral.
Wala mo do baro.
No na net ni mata ni tangi.
Right.
Iya.
Uno ya.
Iya.
Gay ngono ko na net ni mata ni tangi sa. Iso sa bulo-bulo.
Isa bulu.
Isa di kala.
Iya sa.
Bakan tua ko sa search ko may
Lalu tu ko na maramita sila na basten. O kokorno.
Era na katurang night mil nga talew.
belum dah.
Oh, di belakang berbita kan mata ni. Kaya, bikin beraturang mo motelin to na mato bimbi kan sa to kan mata to mata di kuat. Baka kiribir no kan to.
Right. Bikin dan mo to makaristo.
Iyo.
Mga numito di sige ni matakan no may rumbe. Ngone turang ko chisu, membaleti dei.
Iyo.
Membaleti ko watiki yaw.
Totok bagot.
Watiki kede na libo. Na hukuri no de volvola. Sema.
Yes, proud sponsors of the Fijian Rua, Bsp unsecured personal loan.
Berapa kita bikin turang nama ramadan pun ngonela. Biar mau ngocok tamay abo na matali ko. May batu may nandawa en na sigel berno.
Lebu ka
nandren en na buksara no bago tulo.
Leben tabo.
So tabi kuka.
Nimbolo benaka. Well, good morning to each and everyone joining today. Even though it's this day, it's the last day of work of the week. This day. Milna Velebu, thank you very much. Yesterday, we after doing whatever we do in the premises. We planning to go to cook a place in Nandawa.
Right.
To this one's place.
Right.
We doing one grog session there.
Right.
Oh.
What about?
Now I remember when you just saying about today, it's Thursday. I remember it's Thursday. I'm inviting you again.
Thursday.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm inviting him again.
Tamaya po ko pang tuno siyang.
Yes, I can do.
What
can go.
You can do the what?
I can go there doing the grog again if he wants.
Today is back to back today. But what?
If I will go today, I'll bring some more saltiness.
What happened?
Hey, this one. Hence water. Linganuay. Eh, Mother Megal.
Litagil Oliver Servinaka or Mother Megal. Arbinaka Isa. What do you talk about? Blessed Holy Thursday.
Right.
Erkel nama gitu na singa di mate.
Right.
Satu ka matanda ngonongo.
Right.
What's the kita ba? You went to Nandawa and what happened?
We drinking after that.
How many bags?
How many, my friend?
You know. You don't know.
I just drink nga. I just drink.
Oh, okay. Must be a problem, Demis.
Because myself, myself.
Like
in the morning,
the
result of drinking, I hate that result.
What result?
Like in the early in the morning, like today.
So you feel weak?
I feel weak.
Oh, okay.
If I'm drinking grog, then the next morning I won't able to.
We had our grog yesterday before 8 o'clock. If he's still weak now, I don't know what else he does in the night.
That's by time, by
middle
body.
of the night. All you have to do after grog, go home, eat and sleep. But this one, no.
That one is the reason why.
Eat and crawl.
Myself, I didn't have my dinner yesterday.
Oh, okay.
That's why.
Oh, okay.
I didn't have my breakfast this morning. So I went coming to the walk.
You won't die if you have no food for 3 days.
Remember,
you won't die if you don't have water for 3 days, 4 days, 1 week,
don't worry.
20 days.
Tomorrow the crucifixion, don't worry. Crucifixion tomorrow.
Tomorrow mo matutulong.
Matutulong metaw sana.
Okay, a story about the
devil. The story of the devil. Only the living devil will tell the story.
Please, care.
No. I want to hear from the owner.
Whatever.
You
translate, man.
From devil to devil. Come on, devil.
You see,
Yeah.
This is in, we have drink grog, like myself, last week.
Yeah.
First time to drink grog from Lotaka to Suba.
Yeah.
From after the game.
Yeah.
Like, you don't have to do that all the time.
Yeah.
Because when this one give me one advice, don't do it.
Oi.
Because Fala tell me the story about his uncle.
Oi. Hey, tama also.
Hey, you tell the story about your uncle.
Okay, this is a story about one fella in Vonolevu.
Right.
The fella originally from the Kuinukusawa Castellevu.
Okay.
He met a link to Benunga. So the fella was waiting during the grog session, be part of this story. So the fella was doing this every time where he going. He used to pour the water, the grog inside the bottle.
All right.
So imagine the fellow waiting alone in the car cab or anything else, moving vehicle. Minivan.
It's a minivan.
He was continuously doing this.
Right.
So one day he was coming along from Suba to Nendi.
Right.
So before he reached Yako, Udiway road there.
Right.
Before he reached Yako, he was drinking. After that, he drink like he drive. He never used the cup to drink. He is drinking the cup, the bottle. He drink the water.
Right.
To
So he mixed the grog, pour it in fill the bottle.
Yeah.
He drink from the bottle.
He drinking from the mouth of the bottle.
Oh boy.
So the fella drinking like that. As soon as he drive, he reach Udiwai. The fella from Telebu, Netherlands. He coming like this. He's in the center. He remember the bottle. So he was continuously take the bottle like this, drinking. So whenever he drink, he realized something was happening.
No one in the van.
No one, the empty. Empty because it's 3 a.m.
No one in the van. Empty van from Bonolevu. Empty head.
Empty head or na. So the fellow was there. He was drinking. He was drinking like this. As soon as he touched the bottle, like somebody giving the bottle. He giving the bottle. He was looking. Hey, what's this? So the fellow drinking. Like 3 times of doing that. As soon as he touched the bottle, he closed the bottle. He put it down.
Right.
The 4th time, he take the bottle like this. The bottle already open. Already open. Kita nanti nako. He already.
Tolak-kolok metal lain. Tolak-kolok nambo.
Right. This one, you know, this is a moving time for them. And though we are sakin or na yan runi bekau. So this fella, take the bottle like this. Hey, somebody open. He look at the side mirror. Nobody there. He put the bottle. He put the bottle. The bottle walked to him. Satu somay na tabaya. Tabayang ko nango. From there, he about to drink. Before he drink, he saw the bottle of Engona going down the level. Akiloko asenga into nakata ningo. On the hump of Yako, he stopped there. He opened the van, loud music and moving outside. Running to the house and wake up the people there. Are, some, jadu. What's wrong? What happened to you? The people that are moving vehicle from the early in the morning. They were stepping at the back. Kick at the back. Kick. Nobody wants to come and moving the vehicle. And they ask, hey, how?
What happened?
Right. What's wrong? Drew. What's wrong? No, somebody inside the van. I don't know where he comes from. So what you doing? He explained everything, drinking grog in the house. In the van. So he wants to go and off your vehicle. Remove your vehicle from the road.
Bring it here.
The fella should do. I won't able to do this. I won't able to do this. I want anyone to go and pack the van nicely. Ini saranga.
Saya kena tolong siguro, tapi ako nila siguro ba?
O baka ko kembala po nang unyang ko na. Ay, alam ko tinibalimbulo ka. Pinabalik Bsp Kei Punjas. Thank you very much. We love you all.
Lumani
Oiran be aeran ramba tolong non rebose no singarara libera aroma meraba ateapa. Bunyi mango meresome aila Iana ana mango ngawa ai tuandi Tangi toa merasa badili Dua orang belu ngandangai lagi tomia Nindre utua mango ngawa aila sendi Iana bose merendau lagi bili Oiran ngon merah bekau anggi Berbeda edesara orang beasa ania Berbeda edesara orang beasa ania Berbeda edesara orang beasa ania
Na Bimbo